Welcome to the Queen's Court. Today I am participating in a collaboration, and it is Hollywood Glam and Glamorous Dollar Tree Tablescape. It is hosted by Glamour Ellen. Co-host is Glam Queen of DIY with Tammy, and styled by Miss Linda. These two are her co-hosts, and it is Ellen's birthday. Happy birthday, Ellen. Happy birthday, sweetheart. Yes, she is celebrating 46 years, and I'm wishing you and I'm sending blessings on your birthday. Enjoy your day, your evening, and I pray that you have many, many more. So here we are setting the table. I have these plates that I DIY'd. They're from the Dollar Tree. Those bowls are from the thrift store, Goodwill. These plates right here are from Good Stuff. It was four different patterns. That's the chevron. Thank you, Ellen, for hosting this beautiful collaboration on your birthday. Thank you so much. And to her co-hosts, Tammy and Linda, thank you so much. Here, these two were already set. I just took them off the buffet, and I'm just placing them there on the table. That's another print. It is a check print. Yes, I love those plates from Good Stuff. Yes, and that one is like a stripe there. Okay, I flip those bowls upside down, y'all. I just like creating something different at times, because you can do so much with your decor, And there we had the napkins. I like to layer my napkins as well. So I put 2 in there, and we had that beautiful diamond on there. Yes. Please check out these ladies' content. You will not be disappointed. Glamour Ellen does beautiful tablescapes, beautiful home decor, beautiful thrifted items, beautiful decor hauls. She does it all. And she is known for her beautiful tablescapes. So beautiful and so glam and elegant. Tammy, Glam Queen of DIY. She does beautiful DIYs on her channel, honey. Let me tell you, they are absolutely gorgeous, okay? With all the mirror and bling and the different color schemes that she come up with, which is really beautiful. Okay, and Miss Linda, she does her home very well. She decorates it very well. And yes, please go and check these ladies out. You will not be disappointed. I tell you. I'm looking forward to what they're coming up with as well. And please check out the playlist to all the participants that will be participating in this beautiful celebration. Okay? Yeah, there I go putting those glasses on. I DIY those glasses as well. I stuck some gems on them. I love them. I think they came out pretty good. Yes. I absolutely love it. If you're enjoying this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Queen's Court. I love to have you. Also, click that all notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Here we had those flatware, the fork, knife, and spoon, and I'm placing it. Y'all, I do apologize. I did not realize that my angle was off. I do apologize. I really, really do. I'm learning this YouTube, learning to set up different angles and stuff like that there. And I thought I would just show y'all putting my tablescape together, because I always have it together already, because I put a lot of love and compassion into my tablescapes. I really do. And it takes a while because I'm up and down the steps and trying to get it together. But I love doing my tablescapes. I've been doing tablescapes, y'all, since I was a teenager. I used to set our tables and all. I used to love it. There we had this beautiful bottle that I DIY'd, and the shoe, that glam shoe right there. Oh, honey, I love it. Yes. And yeah, it's getting to be a little chilly, so I thought I would pull out my fur and dress up my bottle, because she already glammed up as already. So, I just thought I would just put that out there. And here is our beautiful cake for Ellen. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday, Ellen. That cake is for you, darling. That's my cake that I use for birthdays. And it's your birthday, so it's your cake, honey. It's your birthday. It's your cake, honey. Oh, man, I tell you. Oh, boy. I'm going to let you all enjoy the video. Okay, right here we have our bowls from Goodwill. And we have our plates here that I DIY'd. I made the white and the gold stripe in them on the Dollar Tree plates, those black plates. And here we have our chargers that I DIY'd. They were, I think I forget the color they were, but anyway, I painted them black. And I put the gold trimming around them. And they came from Good Stuff. Okay, and that clear charger there, I got that from Goodwill. I love layering. I love layering. And I just thought I'd put that bowl upside down. I mentioned that before. But yeah, so there we have it. We have those little small dessert plates, salad plates, or whatever you want to call them. We got those from Good Stuff. You hear these glasses right here? I got those from Goodwill. And all I did was just put some gems on them and came up with a beautiful, beautiful thing. Okay. And here we have a beautiful, um, we got this here from Home Goods. And the vase, that black vase came from Goodwill. We had these flowers here from Goodwill. That beaded chain came from Dollar Deal. Yes. You don't have to spend a lot of money to create a beautiful tablescape. You really don't. And that is something that I have learned over the years. Happy birthday, Ellen. That's your cake, honey. I DIY'd that cake if anybody want to know. I DIY'd that cake and I made it, it's a faux cake. Yes. There's the other check on that side of those plates and those napkin ring holders. Yes, and that will be my tablescape here. That's the back part of the tablescape. Um, yeah. So I just wanted to go around the table. And I did put some little crystals in the, some little crystal gems in the mirror Lazy Susan. Thanks so much for watching. God bless you. Be well. Stay safe.